authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. Washington, at 12:26 p.m. on Dec 27th, 2025, effective until 1:26 p.m. The Washington State Patrol, on behalf of the Laramie Nation Police Department, has issued an Amber Alert for a 14-year-old female named Jayana Howell. Victim is 5 foot 5 inches tall, weighs 200 lbs, has brown hair and brown eyes, wearing pink camouflage zip-up sweatshirt, possibly wearing red pants, carrying a gray backpack, wears glasses, last seen on 1/2/27/2025 at 2 leaving Bellingham, Washington with another individual. She may be traveling in white 2003 Lexus LS430, Washington license plate CLX6617. If you have information, please call 911.